Hello and welcome to a research word in 1 minute. Research word number 16, approximation, noun. American pronunciation, approximation. A-prox-i-ma-tion. Approximation. British pronunciation,
Approximation. Approximation. Approximation.
meaning an amount close to the actual, but not exact. Common usages in academic writing that you need to know are use an approximation algorithm, a close approximation. Example sentence number 1, approximation noun. The data series was missing a data point for 1985, so we used an approximation. And example sentence number 2, to achieve a reasonable approximation, we neglect the extra oxygen that plants consume at night. And example sentence number 3, we developed a theoretical framework for approximation based on regularization techniques. Now you can use approximation confidently in your research. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in another video. Bye!